Welcome to A Levels Computer Science, and we are on our chapter number 10. And the chapter number 10 belongs to paper 2, data types. In this chapter, we have already go through the arrays topic, and we have done the linear search and bubble sort. Remember? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay. After this, we have a topic, files. What are files?
Sir, files are like text documents or
Very
other
good.
things. It's basically like a document.
Files is a way to store our data into the computer. So
Yes.
whatever the data is, we store inside the computer as a file,
File.
right? So every
Yes.
file have a file name. So we are going to look at how to use text files. So we are not talking about the video file. We are not talking about the picture file. We are not talking about the game files. We are talking about the text files, right?
Yes,
Text.
yes, sir.
It means the data you're going to write down. And the text file name is written like that. What else? .txt. This is a format. .txt. This is the format of our text file. So text file contains a sequence of characters. So in text file, what you have? Numbers, yes. Characters, yes. Alphabets, yes. So text file can include an end of line character that enable the file to be read and written as a line of characters. Yes. When you are going to write a text, like I write Pakistan. So you see this, when I'm finished, my characters are ended on the last character, N, right? So it means that when we add the data, when we enter the data is inserted as a set of characters, right? Now, the question is, sir, how do we deal the text file? We deal the text file by several operations. What are the operations? We can open the file. Yes. We can close the file.
Open the file, close the file, and append the file.
We can delete the file. Delete. We can append the file. So these are the operations applied on text file. Is that okay or not okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay. So when you need to open a file, you always need open command
Yeah. Yes, sir.
with the file name for mode, file mode. Now, the question is, sir, what is file mode? You open file for which purpose? Of course, you can say, sir, I wanted to read my file. I wanted to write my file. I wanted to make change in my file. So these are the three operations. What? These are the
Three operations.
three operations. So when you open the file, of course, you wanted to read the data from the file, or you wanted to write any data into the file, or you wanted to add or delete data from your file. So these are the modes. What we call this thing?
Yes, sir. Modes.
Modes, right? Okay, now let's talk about how we deal with the files. Once the file is opened, now you open the file here. You open the file. Now you want it to read mode. So you have to write down the mode here. Look. So open, let's suppose your file name is Pakistan. I write PAK in short for read. So you need to write down the mode. Is that okay?
Yes, sir.
So it can read a line at a time. Of course, whatever you enter into your file, it can be read. So read file, you need to use a read file. Now this time you need to use read file with the name of the file, comma variable. Variable means the thing which you wanted to read. Like
Yes.
sister, I write computer science. It means a variable computer, or let's suppose the
Science.
Pakistan is a variable, and in Pakistan you enter the data computer science.
Yes, sir.
So this can be read. Okay, what happened if you wanted to write or append? Simple, write file, file name, and the same variable you wanted to write. Like if you wanted to
Okay.
write, you can use in an variable. if you wanted to end of file, the function EOF used to test the end of a file. Like once you're done with your work, you have to
Okay.
move to the end
End
of
file.
the file. It returns a value true
Yes.
if the end of a file has been reached and false otherwise. So if you specifically store the data in a proper way, in a formal way, it will do the same. So you need to write EOF with the name of the file. And of course, when you reach to the end, you've done the end, and now it's the time to close your file. Close file with the name of the file. These are called text file operations.
Yes, sir.
Now take out your notebook. You need to make an heading of files. Okay,
Okay.
the thing which I'm highlighting, you just need to write down that things. Okay, you need to just write down this thing. Okay, text files.
Yes.
Okay, then you have to write this open, this thing, and this thing. Then you have to write this with the heading, this with the heading, this with the heading, and of course, this one with the heading. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, I'm just moving your screen till here. Once you finish till
Okay.
here, let me know. I'm waiting.
Okay, sir.
This is our algorithm number 16, isn't it? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay. The pseudocode shows the file. What is the name of your file?
My text.txt.
You have to write it down and you have to read it from, okay? So first
Okay.
you need to declare a variable. Declare text ln. This is your variable, text ln. Text ln, right? Variable
Yes,
is
sir.
a box, right? In this box, you are about to store the data. Declare my file. There is another variable, my file. So how many variables you have?
Two.
Two variables. I have created the variables. Now, you need to put your file, my text.txt, here into a variable. What
Yes.
is where the variable name? My
My
file.
file.
And what is the file name?
My text.txt.
Dot text. I'm just writing my text. Okay, I have space,
Okay.
so I can write dot txt here. Fine. This is okay now.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now I store the text file where? In
So
my
you
file.
will, yeah,
In a variable my file. Now open your file. Open my file. For which purpose? What is the mode?
for right.
Right. You wanted to use a loop. Why? Because you keep iterating the lines in it. So repeat. Output, please enter a line of text. Now you have to enter a line of text. Where? In a variable. Which variable?
Text ln.
So I write computer. This is my line of
Yes.
text. I write computer. This is my line of text. I input it. Okay. Input text ln. What I have input? Computer. If text ln. What is text ln? Tell me again.
Text ln is a variable.
What is stored inside it?
A computer.
Okay. If text ln is not equal to empty string, when you see these two inverted commas and a space between them, it means it is empty string. So can you tell me, is text ln is empty?
If text ln is empty, no,
Is it empty? No, sir, it is
no.
not empty. It means if text ln is not empty, then write file dot text ln. So I already write down computer word.
Yes.
Else, close the file, my file, and so you need to keep writing until your text ln is empty. But my text ln is occupied now. I have written down computer word inside it. Done. So write is done. Now I wanted to open my file again. Open my file. For which purpose? For which mode?
Read.
Read. Again, do read
Repeat. Yeah.
file, comma text ln. What is inside the text? ln.
Computer.
That's it. Output text ln, computer. It works until you reach to the end of your file, of my file. Close.
Got it.
Fine. This is our algorithm number.
This is your my algorithm 16.
Algo 16. Write it down, please. Make an editing of text files, okay?
Okay, sir.
Algo number 16. As we are discussing about the data type, there is another topic called abstract data type. So what is abstract data type? It is a collection of a data and set of operations on that data. For example, stack include the item held on the stack and the operations to add an item to the stack, push or remove from the stack, pop. I teach you the array topic, right? This is belong to the array topic. When you have a data, see this. When you have a data, look, this is 1D array, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I'm drawing some elements here. Okay, so you have a data and the data decided like 17, 31, 25, 12, 34, and 18. No, make it 19. Okay. This data is a data, and if I wanted to apply operation on this data, I need to use A, D, T, abstract data type. Abstract data type have three types. Number one is stack. What? Number one is what? Stack.
Right. Yeah.
Stack uses a principle. Stack uses a principle.
Principle.
A name of the principle is LIFO. What is the name of
Leave
the
for
principle?
last. Leave for last and first out.
Oh, you know this? So
Sir, I know LIFO because of accounts.
see this. Did you notice something unusual?
Uh, yeah.
What?
We're going from the bottom to up.
Very good. So if you wanted to take out 19, you are not allowed to take out 19 directly. You need to
We have
take
to go
the
from 15.
fifth.
I
So
mean
fifth is the
17.
last item
Yes.
and it
Yes.
goes first out. So stack means the elements are one after another from the bottom.
Yes.
Did you get it? Now,
Yes.
in stack, you have two operations, push and
And pull.
pop.
Pop.
What is the meaning of push?
Push is to remove and pop is to remove and push is to insert.
Yes, add the data. So this is called stack. See this. So when you are talking about the operation on a stack works on the LIFO as well as stock have two operation, push and pop. Push means adding, pop means removing. So this is how it looks like. This is a stack. A list containing several items operating on the last and first.
First.
It can be added to the stock. So push and the data can be removed from the stock. Stack pop. The first item added to the stack is the last item to be removed from the stack. What is the last item in the stack here?
Last item is 17.
And what is the first item in the stack?
19.
So if I wanted to remove 19, I need to
We'll have
copy
we'll
all
have to
these
start from
lists.
17.
This is called stack. There is another EDT called queue, a list containing several items operating on first in,
First out.
first out principle. That is called FIFO. Okay, in queue operation, the thing is different. I think you understand. Queue operations. Okay, in queue operations, the elements start from the top. So I'm starting from here. Look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Okay.
So I start from the
Top.
1. अच्छा, you can make it 0 as well, तो उसमें कोई issue नहीं. So now this is my Q operation. This is my what? Q
Q
operation.
operation.
In Q operations, we apply a principle of FIFO. What is FIFO? First in,
FIFO is first and first out.
that's it. Acha, in FIFO again, in FIFO again we have two operations. What are the two operations? You know that?
Uh,
In Q and
in Q and DQ.
in Q means adding an item. DQ means
And DQ means removing an item.
you are going to add the first item to the queue. That will remove from the first item which is added, the first item which is deleted. So we have two principles of queue operation: in queue,
And DQ.
the in queue, and I'm writing in short. Okay,
Yes. So 2 seconds. I'm copying this.
hold on. Not so fast. Wait a minute. I'm not finished. There is a third type of abstract data type. What is that?
Uh,
Linked list.
linked
A
list.
list containing several items in which each item in the list points to the next item in the list. Okay, linked list is different. Linked list is
Different.
different. How? In linked list, we have two 1D arrays. How many?
Two 1D
Two
arrays.
1D arrays. Look, this is a linked list. See this. Let me tell you the simplest thing. You have 27, you have 34, you have 82, and you have 79. Right? Okay.
Yes.
You see this list. And there is another list. Look, this is